Okay, the first thing I want to say is I'm not a lawyer and do not give legal advice, so please be sure to consult with your lawyer and or CPA before you make any decisions regarding choosing your business entity. So, whether you are just starting out or already have an established business, this video is for you because depending on your established entity, your bookkeeping and how you pay yourself will be directly impacted. You also may be thinking, oh my gosh, I've been doing business and I don't even think I've established myself as any of these. I don't even know what I am. If this is you, don't freak out. You're more than likely considered a sole proprietor and just don't realize it. Again, consult with a lawyer and a CPA if you need help regarding business entities. So, there are many pros and cons to each of these that are not bookkeeping related. So, again, if you have not decided what to choose, this is your sign that you need to get a CPA. I have also attached a link to an awesome comparison chart that will help explain the basics if you're interested in learning more about each entity. When it comes to bookkeeping, the main thing to know is how to pay yourself as a business owner. If you are a sole proprietor, general partnership, or LLC taxed as an individual, you will take what is called an owner's draw. This is simply writing a check to yourself, making a transfer, or setting up an automatic payment to yourself in order to pay yourself each month. When this transaction comes through, you will code it to owner's pay and personal expenses account. On the contrary, if you are a not-for-profit, S corporation, C corporation, or an LLC taxed as a corporation, you will use the salary method. The only other method is guaranteed payments for partners, which CPAs will usually advise against this. Like I mentioned before, if you are on payroll, these expenses will be listed on your profit and loss. However, if you are taking an owner's draw, these will be listed on the balance sheet. So now that you know how to pay yourself, I'm going to talk about what to do if you are using the draw method. If you're using the salary method, you can go ahead and head to the next video because my payroll video is in Module 5. When using the draw method, there's 3 things to consider. Be consistent with your payment schedule. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or once a month, try to stick to the same schedule. Shoot for the same amount. Try to budget an amount and pay yourself around the same time each month. Of course, this might vary due to slow or busy seasons, but consistency is key. Lastly, keep the method the same. Whether it's by transfer, writing yourself a check, making a withdrawal, it makes it a whole lot easier to track it when it's done the same way each time. And remember, use the monthly income forecaster spreadsheet that I shared with you to help determine how much to pay yourself. That's it on paying yourself, so next up is saving for taxes, and I will see you in the next lesson.